So, is this the I told you so visit?
No, it's an explanation visit.
Well, I think me didn't lose that courtesy there.
You know that Raymond Savage has a very unpredictable response to certain things, my friend.
Friend, you say? That kind of hard for you to accept, David.
Well, I can tell you, it's because I'm your friend why I'm here in the first place.
So you send your mania to come take me out of my house in front of my woman and talk to me like a common criminal? Am I supposed to believe those are the actions of a friend?
Aye, sir. Would you like a few moments to get over this emotional rant?
David, me and another brother that we are dealing with, so.
You kidnapped an agent, George.
But David, we never knew she was an agent. And plus, you know she was never in any danger at any given time.
Even when the taxi driver and in second pull gun on her and force her in a vehicle?
Brother, me explain to you why me do what me do.
I tell you what, why you not explain that to the board? Are you forgetting me have somebody me answer to?
Oh, so I desert reach. I should have known. Cause now me can almost hear the illustrious Cynthia's voice shouting, "Crucify him! Crucify him!"
Crucify you, look if them do that, they want in your goddamn head. Let me ask you something. You really think I would come talk to you and then send someone to arrest you?
To be honest, David, me rate and respect you. But just like politicians, me not too trust the line.
And I should trust an ex-con who allows his emotions to have kidnapping added to his list of miscreant behavior.
So, I guess we just tolerate each other as friends.
You said it, not me. King, I have helped you out of more situations than I can even think of counting. I've put my career on the line. Well, if I say you see it, can I help you?
Alright. I admit that may have been an emotional statement.
You think? My position at the agency was indirectly threatened because of this damn nonsense.
For what it's worth, sorry for any discomfort I cause you, old friend. But you know, I would have never touched her if I didn't know.
I know that, but look at it from the eyes of the board.
Them just see me taking an agent.
Not only that, but you got a computer scammer to scramble and disable our cameras. How the you think that look?
Yeah. Moreover, the gravity of the situation.
You see, if this was a civilian, it should have bad and not too bad. We don't know we can get this one sliding.
So, that means we could all up on 7 to 10.
Or more, if them decide to include past transgressions, as the head of the board put it.
So, this is really a walk in the park.
In the grand scheme of things, yes.
David, you know, say after when we got you in the prison system, both from Jamaica and Germany, Me did swear to myself, say me nah go back. Spin a card and trigger me here.
I'm happy that you have made good sense prevail. I'm going to do my best to make sure what time you do it in the least amount of discomfort.
Some birds weren't meant to be caged. But thank you, old friend.
None of us is sinless, you know, King. But one thing is certain. You're going to have to pay the piper when the tune is done.
All things considered, he's a great man and a good friend, David.
Good friend? Maybe. Great man? I'm not so sure.
Great men don't do what everybody else expect them to do. Them do what is necessary for the greater good of society.
That comes with a greater price.
Well, you wouldn't be if it didn't.
Heights by great men reached and kept.
We're not attained by sudden flight.
But they, whilst their companions slept,
We're toiling upward through the night.
of wizard and old friend.
Max Good, Alter Krieger.
Oh, if I were you, I'd check your bedding to see if there's a bug or something. God! Stay connected.
Verdammt doch mal! David, bist du schlau!